Big week for Agri-Tech in the UK. The Modern Industrial Strategy landed on Monday, and within that is a sector plan for advanced manufacturing, and within that has been named 6 frontier sectors, of which Agri-Tech is one. Now, why is that important? It's important because this strategy is a blueprint for growth for the UK with funding and support attached to it. We know already that there's going to be at least 200 million committed to the Farming Innovation Programme up to 2030, and potentially other things to come. And I caught up with Minister Daniel Zeichner at our Innovation Hub this week at the Norfolk Show to ask him how difficult it was to argue that Agri-Tech should be included in this important plan. Check out my interview with him. We've been delighted to welcome you to the Innovation Hub here at the Royal Norfolk Show. It's been a big week for Agri-Tech, one of the 6 frontier sectors in the industrial strategy. How pleased are you to have seen that development?
Well, as you can imagine, really, really excited. I mean, it's thrilling to be here, seeing the amazing work that people are doing. But the government absolutely understands that we always have this challenge in the UK. We have these fantastic ideas, but then we need to scale them and commercialise them. And that's why I'm so thrilled that Agri-Tech is featuring as part of our industrial strategy.
And did you have a fight on your hands to get Agri-Tech included? How easy was that argument with your other government colleagues?
Well, I couldn't possibly comment. But what I am pleased about is the outcome. Actually, very well received, the representations we made. And I think it's a recognition that the future of our food system will depend upon being able to respond to the challenges in the modern world, and technology is going to play a key part in that.
Minister, the industry has been very excited at the development this week, and I think everyone stands ready to benefit and take advantage of this opportunity that's been created. So thank you for all you and department have done, and enjoy the Norfolk Show.
I'm sure I will. In fact, I already am. Thank you.
So lots of positivity there about Agri-Tech. We've had a hectic week, as ever. We've been running the Innovation Hub at the Royal Norfolk Show. So we had a load of our members in there who've been talking to farmers, who've been getting industry insights from end users about the role of their technology. We're about to wash the tablecloths, dust down the pop-ups and get them all ready for Groundswell for next week. So have a good weekend and hopefully see you next week at Groundswell.